Okay, everybody, this is another short video over these things called SmartBook modules. You are required to do two of these during each unit of the semester. There are more available. I only require two. By all means, I would encourage doing all of them, three, four of them, but at minimum, you have to do two of them. The positive? I'm going to give you 5 points for each of them that you do for the two. And then it's going to help you study for the quizzes and the exams. So you're going to do better on the quiz and better on the exam, which means a much better grade overall. I've been using these for years and I have absolute results showing students who do the smart books perform at least 8% better in the course over students who do not. That's close to a full letter grade better. So somebody who gets a C doing the smart books would probably get a B in the course. Somebody who gets a B doing the smart books would most likely get an A in the course. So easy way to pick up a whole bunch of points just for studying. So two of these per unit. They are due the night before the unit exam. Ignore the due date in Connect here. Ignore that. That is not accurate. Look at the syllabus, look at the announcements. Those are the due dates. I leave these open. This is for my summer course here. I leave this open all summer long. It does not mean wait till July 22nd and do 15 of the SmartBook modules for points. No. Check the calendar, check the syllabus. That tells you the due dates. So the way this works, come in here, you just click on this arrow next to the big SB, and that will take you to a series of questions. Now the questions are selected to work around the content of the chapter that connects to the lecture. So you could read the chapter first, or if you've done the lecture, I'm getting ready to study, just start the questions. Okay? So here's a question. There are 16 concepts I want you to get. Should take you about 20 minutes. Now the beautiful thing, if you don't get it right, it doesn't hurt your grade. I'm not giving you 5 points for perfection. I'm giving you 5 points for time spent on the task. So, answer the question. Are you confident in your answer? High, medium, or low? I'm pretty confident. All right, I got it right. Next question. Organism consists of more than one cell is called a... maybe I don't know. I could review, and this would link me immediately back to the section of the textbook that has this content. Or maybe I'm going to take a guess. But I'm not real confident. Oh, I did get it right. Okay, feeling good. Move on. So what this does is it looks at you as an individual. It's like sitting down with a tutor or with an instructor and them asking you questions, and based on your answers, they're going to ask you a series of different questions. Everybody's path through this smart book is going to be different. We could all start with the first question, and if we all get it right, great. But if I wildly guessed, the system's going to ask me more questions to make sure I understand that content instead of I just guessed my way to a correct answer. If I got it wrong, the system's going to move me through a series of different questions to try to ensure I understand this information. So the goal here is a customized learning process versus just here's 10 questions, just memorize, regurgitate. This is teaching you and working towards helping you improve your weaknesses. So each of our journeys through the smart book is going to differ based on what we know and what we don't know. And it does reinforce the things you don't know. Why keep asking questions over stuff you already know? It's just boring and it's a waste of your time. So instead, it helps you focus on the content areas that you're not as strong in. So capacity to do work is called stuff. I am confident I know that. Nope, didn't get it right. So I can go to the reading and read that information, or I can just try to go to the next question. So this should take roughly 20 minutes if you guys have gone through the lecture, watched the YouTube videos, taken your notes. Roughly 20 minutes. If you've not done any of that, it's going to take you a lot longer because it's going to keep asking the same questions if you keep getting them wrong or you're just wildly guessing at this. All right, so use this as a study tool to help prepare for the quiz and then the unit exam. What I would always encourage, each unit, you have 2 quizzes. Do the SMART book before you take the unit quiz. You got 5 points for doing the SMART book. Hopefully you'll get a 10 on the quiz. You do that twice. You now just have studied half of the unit material. You've studied 2 chapters and 2 quizzes to get ready for the unit exam. So it's a great way to practice, to build up your knowledge base, and get points for doing it. All right, so make sure you do these. Again, they are due by midnight before the unit exam. Do not look at the dates posted in the Connect system. Pay attention to the calendar dates. All right, good luck, have fun. As always, I encourage you to do all of them, but at minimum, do 2 and pick up 5 points for each of those, so 10 easy points. All right, don't throw away the easy points.